Welcome to AI Exosphere's consulting page. At AI Exosphere, we specialize in artificial intelligence, Python, and server development. We can help identify inefficiency and lost opportunity using the latest technological advances. With over a decade of experience in the web solution space, we can help you harness the latest artificial intelligence tools and technologies for exponential growth. We know for sure that artificial intelligence has many possibilities to transform your business. Our AI consulting and development services drive business efficiency and improve the bottom line. From automation development to facial recognition, we can help you build the future. Our team will tailor artificial intelligence solutions to your particular needs, using our knowledge of industry-specific business processes and challenges. So whether you want to automate back-office operations, boost customer experience, improve security, or launch a genuinely innovative software product, our AI developers are up for the challenge. Just click the Contact Us button, fill in the form, and our expert team will reply shortly. Thank you, and I hope to serve you soon. Haley signing off.